just want to get one bolt in at least.
Wait, can I just align it? Can I just line it?
Yeah.
Boys, we were struggling with this clutch. You know what? I'm quite tired, boys. Yeah, that's the second day of us trying to put a gearbox in. I did not record, so my fingers are clean. But I still wear like gloves, you know. We had to change the clutch again, gents. The clutch that we previously put in was not as... It's not, okay, one size it will fit, the other size will just jam, you know, that the right size that you put, like, you know.
You see, BM I despise it. I don't like BM anymore. You too much out.
Opa.
How open is coming? He's taking BM's partner.
Opa.
So, yeah.
Hey.
I'll start despising it also. You must be careful.
Boys.
Don't sell all these Opals.
Boys, long story short, we got it in. Gearbox is in. You know what the mission was there, bro? I was lying. Yeah, kicking this in. Well, Uncle Rich was holding it. Okay, Uncle Rich is a strong guy, so can't really say anything there. Yeah, but I was slipping. Yeah, this oil was making me slip. Yeah, but I had to lying. It's in, boys. Hopefully the clutch is 100%. We also don't have to take it out again. Did you put it in?
Yeah, it's on its place, but I'm needed extensions again.
Those extensions.
Yeah, there's 2 extensions and a brick. I didn't the rest.
Should I fasten the other bolts on the...
Please.
Okay, I'm not gonna fasten it all the way, right? I'm just gonna...
Top bolt.
Yeah.
Now you can fasten it. Now you can fasten it.
Yeah, there are a few bolts here, boys.
Oops.
I'm sorry. A lot of antifreeze. I'm sorry.
Oh, you're gonna tell me I'm rusted, nah?
Nah, can you see?
See, I'm rusted.
Can you see? So, how many bolts are there? I see there's 3 in here.
Yeah. On top. I can put there the mountings for coming. But there's one bolt that must go in there also as well.
I have mounting here. Let me just go get it. Oh my days. There's 2 mounting brackets here, along with the CV and some bolts. There we go. My gloves are broken, gents. It's the hard work. This is the hard work. There's 2 top.
You first put the mountings, bolts and things, you understand?
Yep.
Down most of the mountings, bolts.
Yeah, you have a point there. Anyways, boys, let me just quickly put on this transmission in. We have to assemble so many things. Antifreeze is leaking like a tip.
Yeah, the pipe was there.
Yeah, no. We have a lot to do, boys. Let us just get back into it. You guys will see the car when it's assembled. We'll do the starting after this. So give us just some time because we need to. Ish. Do you have the seal? So guys, in this specific car, right, there's a seal. This seal is so small and so annoying, you guys won't understand. The picture will be on the screen, but the seal that goes onto this, basically. I don't know if you guys can tell. It goes onto that. That seal, nobody sells that seal. So we had to like go to the guys that you know sells Opel Corsa space and Opel space to get us. So yeah, they don't sell seals like that. That seal is kind of rare. Funny thing is we traded a Coke for that seal. And yeah, so each day we learn something new, you know. Negotiating is a thing in our life. Power's not full on. Yeah, just fasten it. Just fasten it on. There we go. already started. Listen, we done the CV rubber boot, boys. That one was not looking good, the previous one, but now, you know, it's looking better. Okay, so boys, we also found out there was like a leak in the sump, and the sump is aluminium, so you know we have to go to someone that welds aluminium. So I got that done. It was not the best, but you know, I got the job done. Hopefully it's not leaking this time. We got the sump. I took a video. I showed you guys how the sump was. The previous owner tried something. It worked, but not for long, you know. So I went to go, got it welded, and hopefully it should be. And my fingers are crossed. I hope it's gonna work 100%. So those guys that weld, they didn't do a very good job, but they closed the gap. That's the main important part. Anyways, stay tuned. We still have to also put brake fluid there. I don't know if you guys can see on that side, boys. We have to put in it EP90. So yeah, once we do that, everything is gonna be the same. And then one last thing is petrol, and then we can drive. I'm ready when you are. It's gonna be unstable for a while, but let it kick in, it's gonna be normal.